If you're constantly bloated, tired, and anxious, and craving food all the time, and tried almost everything on the planet to feel better, your gut might be screaming for help. I know how you feel. 18 months ago, I was in that situation. I was depressed, down and out. I had no energy and not knowing what to do until a friend of mine shared some gut health information with me. I thought I was eating well, but in today's society, food is way different than the past. It's way hard on your gut, and can create a lot of side effects with all the chemicals and processed foods. So today, after changing my diet and eating more gut-friendly foods and learning about gut health, I'm totally different. And my energy is way higher, and I have way more motivation. I've lost 25 pounds, and I don't take pills anymore. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest, beginner-friendly ways to fix your gut, your gut health in the next 30 days, even if you have no idea where to start. These things that I use, these are the things I used when I first started to improve my gut health. And if I found them really helpful, and I'm sure you will too. So the first way is to be more proactive. Research quality information away from mainstream media is such an important thing, right? You got to learn how to what's going on with your gut. Get away from mainstream media because they want you to take a pill, and you want to find quality healthy information that can really helps. So the second thing to do is to remove ultra processed foods from your diet. If you want to if you look at a granola bar, the ingredients on a granola bar, there's lots of things on there you can't even pronounce. So foods like that are just so bad for your gut health. It's you want to kind of get those out of your diet. You want to kind of look for foods with one ingredient, like a banana, like an egg, like a steak, like an onion, things like that. Things with one ingredient, or if they have a label, the less ingredients on the label, the better. So the third thing would, or the second, the third thing would be to remove seed oils from your diet. These are chemically altered, chemically made seed oils that are added to foods, and they are extremely bad for your gut health. They kill your microbiome, and that's part of your gut health is your microbiome. And if you can remove seed oils from your diet, you'll see a huge impact. So the fourth thing would be is remove sugars from your diet, like chemically made sugars. Like if you read the ingredients, sugar would say OSE, sucrose, fructose. Chemical sugars like that are extremely bad for your gut health. Sodas, uh, energy drinks, they're extremely bad for you. Your gut health, it kills your microbiome, and it kind of sends all your cells and all that into state of I don't know what to do. So if you're looking to improve your gut health, remove sugars, chemically made sugars. So the fifth thing would be is exercise. Exercise is a great way to improve your gut health. Whatever you can do, like if you have a disability, you can maybe walk around the block or do whatever your level is, but to get out and do some sort of exercise, kind of do a little at a time until you get better. You don't want to overdo it. You just want to do a little at a time. And if it's a rainy day or you're inside because it's snowing out, you maybe have a treadmill or an exercise bike, but to try and get your heart rate up. And that's a great way to help you improve your gut health. So I invite you to join our free community. The link is in the description. We have a community of people interested in learning how to increase and improve their gut health and increase their health and fitness, and just increase their overall well-being. So the link is in the description. So if you're interested in joining, I invite you to do so. So if you liked the video, I hope you did, and you hope you found it helpful. Be sure to I ask you to like it and subscribe. And if you have any comments, be sure to leave a comment, and I will definitely answer it for you. All right. Have a great day.